Hi everybody, it's Cindy. Look at all of these goodies that are going out in the mail this week. This is the July subscription box for my Patreons, and you're getting everything to make this really cool no-sew little journal booklet, getting all the supplies to make this as well as the tutorial. And I wanted to let you know that I have enough supplies to make a couple more of these kits. So Patreon, the beautiful thing about Patreon is that you can sign up for 1 month and then cancel. There's no obligation to sign up for like a year or whatever. So if you are interested in making this project with us for July, head over to my Patreon. The link is below. And this is kind of a sample of the goodies everybody's getting this month. So a whole roll of Tim Holtz linen tape, and then a whole bunch of supplies to make the little booklet. I just wanted to let you know that I have a couple more left. If you're interested, come over, first come, first serve, grab them, and I'll see you in the tutorial over on Patreon. Bye!